There are big new developments in the state's fight against COVID-19.
The state health department lifted its public health advisory on masking in indoor settings as case counts continue to decline.
Governor Whitmer called it good news and a reflection of the state's progress given the stark numbers we were reporting only a few weeks ago. 13 on your side's Charlie Tinker is here now with how this decision could affect schools.
Hey guys, one of the most visible, certainly focuses of the national dialogue over masking. Those K through 12 schools will no longer have that recommendation to mask up on the books now that the state health department has retired that public health advisory. MDHHS said the updated guidance reflects where we are at this point in the pandemic, which in the view of their experts is now post-surge and squarely in that recovery phase. In a statement, MDHHS said school districts and organizations should consider local conditions and work with their local health department to determine mask policies for school districts, public meetings, and large events. The move effectively passing the buck to those individual districts, determining whether their students will be required to mask up, especially given what the state bills as a picture that's improved dramatically in just the recent weeks. In a statement, GRPS said in part, quote, "We are reviewing the latest guidance and we'll be working with the local health department on what the mask policy will be moving forward." It's important to note masking is still recommended in certain high-risk settings where people are immunocompromised. MDHHS maintains masks are still an important tool as well for curbing the spread of COVID-19. They'll be keeping an eye out for signs of a resurgence, any new variants out there, which means that recommendation could come back into the picture. Juliet?
Charlie, thanks for that update. The average number of cases over the past 2 days is slightly higher than the previous 3 days, but the numbers still continue to trend downward. More than 4,200 cases were reported yesterday and today for an average of about 2,100 cases each day. For only the third time this year, the rate of positivity is below 10% at 8.84%. The 7-day average is 11.75%, which is the lowest it's been since the end of October.